Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Next lecture is lecture 2. At first, Solidworks start. Beginner student is very important and useful. Lecture second is released soon. Solidworks GUI contains following elements. GUI means graphical user interface. Beginner friends, all friends, Solidworks learn a beginner, then useful, a very important. All 3 point in this Solidworks. First point is property manager, second point is feature manager filter, and third point is selection breadcrumbs. The first I see a Solidworks software, then okay, this is a Solidworks software, and 3 point discuss here one by one. First is property manager. This is a property manager. This is a property manager, and click here, message, select an entity to view or to modify its property. Then any design create in workspace. This is a workspace. Okay guys, this is a workspace, and any design create in workspace, then all points show here, and property manager is very important in this software, Solidworks software. Next point is feature manager filter. Okay, feature manager filter, this point is feature manager filter. Okay, and this is a feature manager filter, and all this body is feature manager design tree. So ये first point is show here a feature manager filter. Next point is selection breadcrumbs, and this is any design show in workspace, then this is a click here, and all some point is learn. This is a selection breadcrumbs. Only 3 point discuss here today, only 3 point discuss here, and lecture second is not more but 3 point, and next point is lecture 3 coming soon. Okay guys, don't forget subscribe my channel and like and share, don't forget, and new video see at first, then subscribe and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.